Hello, my name is Ivan. I am going to compare three graphic cards. I am going to explain the characteristics and then in the end of presentation I have my opinion about them. I will choose its functionality, age and cash which you will like. The first graphic card is the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 3070. This characteristic is memory clock is the 99,000 Hz. The memory pass is the 256 bits. Type of memory is the GDDR6X and costs 1,000 euros. This is for a PC that's resistant and compatible. While these graphic cards I will use for a gaming computer. The second graphic card is the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 3050 gaming. The characteristic why this is the frequency of processor is the 1822 megahertz. Type of memory is the GDDR6. The data is the 128 bits, and the velocity of the clock is 14,000 megahertz. This target graphic costs in the 400 euros. This target graphic use my personal computer for the simple fact that price and how good the plus will be compatible with my computer. And the last one target graphic is the MSI GeForce GTX 713. The characteristic is simple, and this is target graphic is cost. This graphic card is cost 70 euros. I will use this for my brother computer as it's not that good and doesn't require so many things and will work well. Or also for office or computer that's little old.